quite a bit. But what was the market like today?
So the market was it was like, let me pull this up.
Because I saw some cryptos ripping like PKT, but I didn't look at the stock market today. Now I
Yeah,
know that after
this
the Fed rates went, Jerome Powell kind of went soft. The
hmm
market shot up like crazy.
yeah,
I
the
guess
spy
everything went down, no?
yeah, no, the spy at the open was insanely strong. It went down, touched the whoa. Okay, we're good. Okay, so spy it's been on this little uptrend. It got some support around here, 375s last time, dipped back to those 375s, and somebody or something was down here collecting some shares, and it has started to uptrend. And so now it's sitting
Did you
on
guys
top. You said what?
did you guys see what happened? I think it was yesterday or the day before, where I think they had a hack on some of the liquidity machines. That was the day where I think the markets opened up to the downside really hard.
Mm-hmm. They
You
had a
guys
hack
saw
on
that?
what kind of liquidity? Like, was it certain crypto projects, or what? What kind of liquidity machines
No,
are you talking about?
hold on, because I had it on my I had posted on my profile. But let me see.
Okay.
Where you at?
I'm always
Ion software
go
suffering
ahead.
from major cyber attack outage. Many large banks use Ion software to handle STP and execution services. Said it was supposed to affect equities rates. Yeah, they weren't able to manage their positions.
Okay. Can you drop that link in the room chat, or did you already do it? What's up, Tracy?
Oh, let me see.
Yeah, because I did not hear about that.
Yeah, I
But
didn't either.
yeah, as
Oh,
far as the spy, it's starting to almost look like it's coiling. I don't know if it's gonna go higher or if it's gonna go flat for a while, but um I only traded two things this week and just kind of hung back
And
because first of all, like I was telling y'all earlier, we had four or five things over like 200, 300, 400, 500%, and then we had MSGM that was over
yeah,
1,000%. So MSGM, if y'all know the game Need for Speed, MSGM was a little low float that came back into compliance, but they had a big hand in the development and a lot of the background work for Need for Speed. And when I saw that, I was telling Ben, bro, Ben was streaming, and I know I was getting on his nerve. I'm like, "What are you doing, man? Look at MSGM,
yeah. You took me
MSGM."
away from Pally. Pally
I'm,
or
but
something after that.
but Pally was moving on sentiment with MSGM, and I'll go over here to my broker right quick.
I
Um,
know. Well, I
and
took the MSGM trade, so you shut up.
MSGM, yeah. So on this one, this thing ripped from freaking down here $4 up here to $81. $81 at the top. So $3 to $81, right? And the day that I traded it was this day right here.
Yeah,
Uh,
me too. I think. Yeah, that was
and
that one rip. Yeah.
I didn't think it was gonna go that high. I didn't know, what the sentiment was behind it, but I just saw it forming this little range, but the range was insanely volatile. The range was it was moving like $3 every 5 minutes. So it was going from 18 up to 24, 18 up to 24. And I was like, if it continues this pattern, I think I need to be in on one of these 18 to 24s. So so I took a little bit just towards the end of the day, just for a quick rip, $2.09 per share. And the thing is, I was just buying every time it fell. So I was buying a little bit, and I really didn't get that big of a position before because it wouldn't come down. It kept popping back up, and I was like,
Yeah.
I want to buy at this price, and being stubborn and wanting to buy at a certain price, I just didn't
Yeah.
really take a
Yeah.
huge size, but it ripped up
Same
for me and paid me, so I was glad.
same way you think you're gonna get Adam for $5 and Diesel for $5.
Oh man, when they come down, there's gonna be a blessing. I'm gonna drop 40K in there. But um, yeah, I'm just, it was a very surprising. And then the crazy thing is the next morning of this move where everybody thought it wasn't going to go anywhere, this huge fall came from $68 all the way down to 24. Now, I was thinking, man, I should have held that freaking thing overnight, that those shares that I had. But I don't trust pre-market. I just don't. It's too many big players in there. They can push things around, and they did more than just push it. They suplexed it.
Well,
A what $70 fall.
yeah. Well, that's the funny thing. Like when all the PR came out on this, one of the press releases said that there was multiple investors who bought like 300,000 shares, 400,000 shares. So it was only a matter of time. It's like how long were they going to hold it before they dumped it? So they made I don't know how much. 'Cause
Yeah.
good lord, that type of share amount on that type of rip.
Yeah.
But that's obviously where they said that's enough, and the shorters was like, "Yep, we're coming in behind that."
Yep. Yeah, I think every day this week we had a stock over 100. Even today, HSCS and RSLS 120, 120, both of them. And it's insane how much volatility there was this week with such weak catalysts. Well, the MSGM one was okay catalyst, but like I mean, it
No,
was
that was
like
weak catalyst. That ain't no
it,
good cat. Man, that they gain stocks gain compliance all the time, or regain compliance.
but it
I
was
think the
the
main thing was like you're
psychological, bro.
saying.
It was the psychological because so many people have played Need for Speed and the motor kart
Well,
racing games and things like that. They know.
that's what I was gonna say. It was all the That company has all the NASCAR games, all the whatever what is it? The Moto Sports one. What's that? But one thing I did notice, in the news a lot in the stock market, there was a lot of talk about the NFT market and the gaming market.
Yes, and the AI development.
Well,
That's
yeah,
what,
AI has been a hot topic.
bro. Ever since
Yeah.
MSG ripped Pally, some of those other little cheap ones that were moving in sentiment, everything that whispered about AI was going up, and it was
Yeah,
crazy.
the AI is just super hot right now. Like, guys, we can't get away from it. We've been doing the show the last 2 weeks, and AI has been a topic that's come up every single show.
Exactly. It's all good. I'm ready. I'm ready for our new overlords. Let's go.
So,
Uh,
so what did you think about the Fed rate hike? As I ain't really talked to you since then.
well, the Fed rate hike, it really wasn't a surprise. Too much. I kind of on the day of when the news was coming out, I really stayed away from trying to trade anything or whatnot, as always, because they always. I mean, the amount of power that is just in their words is insane. Um, but for the Fed rate, it really wasn't. I think eventually they're gonna have to do some kind of leveling, do some kind of true balancing. But I don't know who will take the brunt of the blow. I know they probably know and have already planned it out, but I don't know. It's one of those things where
Somebody's getting blown, that's for sure.
yeah, somebody's gonna take the hit. Somebody's got to.
Yeah. Somebody's getting pegged, as Mr. Triple said in the room chat. Where'd he go? I was about to ask. What's your name?
I'm just listening.
No, not you, Chip. But I know you're here. I can see you here. He was just in here talking with us about the stock market. Huh?
I want to know if our buddy stopped by to be on your show, like you said he was going to.
Who was supposed to stop by today? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
I hope so.
We'll see. I don't know. We'll see.
Who was he? Is he a guest or is he somebody that y'all just found out of thin air? Where you come from?
Well, so we were out on this journey, okay, and there was all these mountains, big mountains, beautiful skies in the backgrounds, green
yoga
fields and
instructor?
pasture. No, hold on. Listen, there was a ring involved in this story, and we had to all go get it. Okay. And this motherfucker, he took the ring from all of us and turned on us and didn't even do what we were supposed to with it. And he wore it. And now we got to get him straightened out. So the problem is he's invisible. He might be in the room right now trying to CPA the shit out of us.
CPA the shit out. Oh, it's just been a bad day on Diesel, man. I am hurting, and
What's
you need to
happening
get
on
on
Diesel?
Kane. Oh, there's so much drama tonight at 4:30 on Vibe Hut. Darian Parrish is holding a room. It's you need to go and look at some of the shit happening, and
What?
Yeah.
What? This is important. This is live news updates on Diesel. What is going on in the field, Triplet? What's happening right now?
The Krasenstein brothers posted what they are saying their last video for a while, and
Okay.
they're very critical about core team in that video. You have to go watch that. And another news, Skin Lover, our friend here on Entre, rug pulled her entire coin and left. And
What? Skin Lover rugged?
she said that she needed to focus on family and work, and rugged like I last week she took 3,000 of her coin out and said, "Don't worry, you still have a lot of skin in the game, Triplet." I'm like, "Oh, cool, I don't have to worry about anything." And then it all fucking went away. So I'm left holding $1.14 of her coin. I put like 40 bucks into this thing, and it was up to like 100 or something at one point. And
yeah, that's what I was surprised, because Skin Lover, man, she had a high coin price. She had a lot of people who bought her coin.
And apparently they were warned, because if you look at the transactions on Open Prosper, people had seen a post that she posted that she was leaving and taking everything. I missed it. Like I missed the entire post or whatever, and she even sold my coin. Yeah, I called her on
everybody. That's y'all's fault for not getting out.
Yeah, so
she's straight out just like, yeah, I'm rugging. See you guys.
Yeah, basically, but I didn't see it. I was at Disneyland or something that day, so I'm the top coin holder now, holding $1.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's bad. I called her cell phone. I called her business this morning on a live Entre call and left a message. My message was, "I hope you're doing okay. It's Mr. Triplet, just checking in, saying hey." That was it. But yeah, on chain, you're like, "Holy shit, I got rug pulled by Skin Lover. What the fuck?" And then I wrote, "Did I miss a memo or something?" And then people posted like, "Yeah, you missed this, this, and this." I'm like, "Fuck me." And she gave me like a 5 diamond drop on something, which is like $5. But then like Stargazer's like, "Oh, thanks for my 6 diamond drop." It's like $54. I go, "Skin Lover was my fucking 6 diamond drop." That more than, like, holy shit. Like I get it, but man, like some of us didn't get out because I just believe in people, and so I'm learning. I rugged a few of my coins, not mine, but people that I hold. People that I hold money in today. I was like, if you haven't posted for a while, I'm taking my money now. I'm almost ready to take money out of everybody because I do not understand the game, apparently.
Yeah, no, like you have to understand that you have to be careful not to be people's exit liquidity, right?
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing on this platform. My wallet right now in DSO is like just under $500. And most of it I brought in, right? Like I brought in money to the platform. I think I brought a little bit more, so I'm not ready to quite like cash out. And I honestly think DSO is going to be great in the future, but I'm not giving up. I don't even think the Krasensteins gave up. I just think they are kind of, it's a lot of work.
I've seen some of their videos recently. I don't know, man. They've been getting around my YouTube feeds and things like that. The Krasensteins, they might need to lay off of some of them prescription meds or something. I don't know what they're on. But
I think a part of it is that once they got reinstated on Twitter, because that was the whole thing. They were kicked off of Twitter when they had 1 million some followers.
So they've been over on DSO, but now that they're back, like,
Elon Musk reinstated the account, so he's like, "Oh, well, we'll go back." They have 800,000 followers there now.
Mr. Triple, you were talking about the guy who you rug pulled.
No, we
You
haven't
couldn't
talked
do-
about. I haven't talked about him yet. We're waiting for him to be a guest on the show here. I think.
No, he was in a room.
Yeah, and he did. I guess he invested in a bunch of my coin. I didn't even know it. I didn't see it after I
Oh.
invested in him.
Oh my
Uh,
goodness.
Here, I'll bring it up on Open Prosper if you want to see it.
Oh gosh. Why is
Yeah,
there
yeah.
so much drama?
Yeah, you can share your screen.
He just loves the drama. He's like, let's pour some more gasoline on this. Let's get this really popping over here on DSO.
There's a DSO drama account on DSO that you can also read. There's a bunch of shit going on there tonight. Like I said, yeah, there's a. It's called
Drama
DSO drama. It's fucking crazy. This shit. I mean, there's always drama on DSO. You know that there's someone got pregnant that everyone knows on DSO, and everyone's like taking guesses on who the father is based on. It's crazy shit. And I own that. I own that profile. I own that profile now. DSO Fuckfest. After someone said that, I'm like, that's the greatest thing ever. Anyway,
That's crazy.